Oh my gosh, have you scanned that QR code yet? Because you're about to discover one of Xi'an's most incredible hotel experiences at Novotel Xi'an, the Bell Tower. Picture this. You're right in the beating heart of ancient Xi'an, steps away from the legendary Bell Tower itself, but with all the modern comforts you crave. This isn't just a place to sleep. It's your chic urban retreat where history meets contemporary style. Walking in, you'll immediately feel that perfect blend of sleek design and warm hospitality. The rooms? Total relaxation stations with cloud-like beds and everything you need to recharge after exploring Xi'an's ancient wonders. And let's talk about starting your day right. Their breakfast spread is legendary, with both international favorites and local flavors that'll give you energy for hours of sightseeing. Need to work or work out? No problem. Their fitness center has all the top-notch equipment to keep your routine on track, and business travelers will love the super-efficient express check-in service. Parking's a breeze too, so road trippers can breathe easy. While it's not the most child-friendly spot, there are fees for little ones. It's absolutely perfect for couples and solo explorers craving that perfect mix of culture and comfort. Honestly, this place makes exploring Xi'an effortless. You're in the center of everything, yet coming back feels like your own stylish sanctuary. Don't just dream about it. Get booking now and experience that magical Xi'an vibe with Novotel's signature comfort. Who's ready for an unforgettable stay?